Schools teach you algebra, how to dissect a frog, or a history, but what they don't teach you is credit, how to buy a house, how to build your wealth. And that's why most people finish college broke, and they actually stay broke. So today I'm giving you 5 money lessons that school would never taught you, and those will change your life forever. This is Red, White, and Revenue. We're about to teach you what the system wants. By the end of this video, you will know the truth about money that can put you ahead of 90% of the population. And trust me, once you see those, you cannot unsee them. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That is the biggest trap in America. Credit card companies want you to fill up their credit cards and keep paying them interest forever. That is the bad debt. But here's the twist. Rich people, wealthy people, they use that debt into their advantage. What they do, they borrow money for cheap and they buy assets that pays them even more. So let's say you borrow money for 6% interest rate. You make 10% with your business or your real estate or whatever else asset you bought. So in a minute, I'll show you how to use that into your own advantage. So it builds you up instead of bringing you down. Here's the most important lesson that you will ever need to know. Rich people buy assets, poor people buy liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket, a liability takes it away. Example, rental property is an asset. A car that loses value is a liability. Most people spend their lives buying liabilities and wonder why they always broke. And the mindset shift alone can save you 20 years of wasted efforts. Just stay with me here. Albert Einstein supposedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. And he was right. If you start investing just $10 a day at 10% return, in 40 years, you'll have $1.5 million. And the earlier you start, the easier it gets. That's why wealthy families teach kids about money early, because their time is the secret weapon. And in a moment, I'm about to show you how even small, consistent habits can lead to 6 figures wealth. One paycheck is always a dangerous route to go. If you lose it, you are done. That's why wealthy keep building multiple streams of income. It doesn't mean that you need 7 businesses right now. What it means, start with one, then another one, freelancing, investing, rental properties, dividends, you name it. Just keep going, keep adding and pile up sources of income. But guys, just stick around because the last lesson what truly separates wealthy families from everybody else. And this last lesson, actually I'm about to teach you, is that what separates business people from everybody else is about taxes. So typical employee always basically doomed to pay taxes on their income no matter what. What businesses do, if they're smart business owners, they find ways, legal ways to write off their taxes and reinvest. So what you do, you constantly take your income, you reinvest into other business ideas and investments to grow your business exponentially. So basically it just almost like you're pouring fuel on the fire. That's the beauty about it. And that's why ownership matters. When you own business, even a small business, the government lets you keep more of your money if you're smart about it, if you want to reinvest. The reason why they do it because people create more jobs, so more opportunities for everybody else who don't want to deal with business, right? A business headache or business ideas at all. So once you combine smart taxes and everything else we just covered, you start playing the wealth game on a whole new level. The truth is, schools prepare you to be an excellent employee, but not a wealthy individual. But now you know the real lesson. Debt, asset, compounding, multiple streams and taxes. That's the playbook. And you can start writing your future today. So which one of those lessons hit hardest for you? Comment down below, subscribe to Red, White, and Revenue, like this video. We'll see you in the next one.